Donald Toys, and today I'm a parrot. And this is our room.
Yes, and this is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
Believe me.
Yes, we're gonna be naughty parrots.
Or I don't like naughty parrots.
And neither do I, but that's our video. We'll see.
Yes. We'll see how good is the video.
Yes.
I think the music one more louder.
Yes.
Yes, this is it. Hi. Hi, we're the visitors.
Hello.
Can we see the parrot?
Yes. First you need to pay.
Oh, how much?
8 euro for one. So 16 euro for you too.
Okay.
Okay.
I have only 9.
Oh,
Let's go and take some money.
go to the cash machine.
Yes.
It's gonna be fun.
We're done. Yes.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you want some food for the parrots?
No. No.
Okay.
I won't.
You want? Here you are.
Thanks.
And be careful with the parrots. And you never give food to the parrot with to this parrot. This is I don't know what kind of parrot it is, but don't
Kakadu.
kakadu. Yes, don't give the kakadu food.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Parrot. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, get off of me. Get off. Get off.
Oh, I have a parrot on my back. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, it's so funny.
You want some food?
Wah.
That's enough. That's enough.
Hey, stop doing this to my hat. Hey, stop eating my hat.
You want some food if you want to get.
Oh, give me some food. I think they're hungry.
Parrot. Parrot.
Hey,
Parrot.
here are some food. Uh-huh. Oh, again. It's on my back. Oh. Phew. Again, parrots on my back. Pluto, help me, please.
Get off. Get off. Yo.
Again, the same parrot on my back. Why? Every parrot, it's on my back. Oh, Pluto, this is one parrot for you.
Oh
Get
yeah.
it. Oh, food is, they want food. Here you go.
Here you go.
What? This is a speaking parrot.
This is a speaking parrot.
Talking parrot, it talks. Say something.
Talking parrot. Say
Say,
something.
I'm a parrot.
I'm a parrot.
Oh,
Oh,
it's very smart.
It's very smart.
Are you copying me?
Are you copying me?
This parrot is copying me, Pluto.
This parrot is copying me, Pluto.
Can you believe that?
Can you believe that? No. No.
Look, it's copying everything.
Look, it's copying everything.
Wow.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello, I want to visit the parrots.
Okay, €8. Here you go. Okay, you can go inside and be careful with the door.
Okay.
You can have food too. You
Oh,
give them.
that's nice. I want to give them some food. Parrots. Oh, there's one eating. What are you doing? Stop eating my my pants. Oh, naughty parrot, naughty parrot.
Parrot.
Oh, this parrot is stalking parrot. Food parrot, do you want some food?
You can give him food.
Here you go.
No, not to this parrot.
Why?
I forgot to tell you, don't give food to Kakadu. I always forgot its name.
Ah, kakadu. Kakadu, no food for you, no food for you. No, no food for you, no food for you. Please let let me play with the other parrots. Help! Kakadu is chasing me. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away.
Oh. Where did he go? Huh.
The crocodile is chasing him.
Oh. It's doing all the time like this.
This kakadu is very bad. It's always chasing me.
Oh. It's just playing.
Oh, it's playing, but I want to play with the other parrots and it wants to eat my food.
Okay, Kakadu, stop doing that. Go and... Oi, stop doing that. You always do that. Go and play over there.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it's on my head. That's a parrot on my hat. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, another parrot. Oh, one more. Ah, oh, what's going on in here? Parrots everywhere. Parrots, go away, parrots. Wah.
These spawns are everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, it's so stressing here in this room with so many parrots. I didn't know it's that much stress. Oh,
I think it's a bit fun too.
now it's calm and relaxing and it's nice. I'm going to see some relaxing parrots.
Yes.
Oh, look, here are some parrots. Oh, what? He took my food, he took the food. He took the food, the kakadu took the food.
Oh, what? Kakadu, come here. Come here, don't eat it, Come here, Stop flying. What? Come here. Come here. Stop flying. Stop flying. Kakadu, come here. I can't take you. Ah. Oh, I took the food finally. No more food for you. Go there. Go.
Hello,
Hello.
I want to see the parrots.
Okay. You can pay here and get inside.
Okay.
Here's some food. And don't give it to Kakadu.
What is kakadu?
Hey, that parrot. Hey, this one. Oh, no. Go away, Kakadu.
Oh, let me see the other parrots. I want to see a small parrot. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's talking parrot. Can you say food? It says only parrot. Okay, do you want to eat? Wait. Can you jump on me? Oh, I don't know. Come to... Oh, nice.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
What? What's going on? Parrots everywhere. Help me, please. It happened to me too. Parrots everywhere. I don't like that many parrots. You see, guys? We are just naughty parrots and we want to play. Nothing more. Oh, the food. Kakadu, give me the food. I'm talking parrot. And a dancing parrot.
Is that not the voice? I'm a talking parrot too.
Yeah, we're all talking parrots. We're not bad. We just wanna play.
Yes.
And I'm coming to play with parrots. Oh, capybara. Wow.
Hey, Capybara, you need to pay.
Oh, here you are.
Okay, you can get it.
I need parrots. I want to see parrots. Here are you some food. Not to kakadu. What?
Ah, give me the food, Kakadu. You're one cuckoo, Kakadu. No more food for you.
Parrot.
Give some food to this little parrot.
Okay.
Parrot.
Oh, it's on my hat. It's tickling me. It's all strange with a parrot on my hat. I think that's enough. What? A towel? What's going on in here? No. What's happening in here? Too many parrots on me. Ah! Too many parrots. Ah.
It's happened to them too.
Oh, really? Oh, it's a little bit tiring of parrots.
Yes, but we have one more customer. Hi.
Hello. You need to pay to me.
Oh, here you are.
Thank you. And here is the food.
Thank you. Oh. There's only one cockatoo. Let me get that food.
What? Don't give food to the kakadu.
Ah, no food to Kakadu. No food to Kakadu.
He ate it already.
What? What we gonna do now? I think we need a Kakadu doctor.
And bye. We will see you in part 2.
Yes. We will see you in part 2.
Bye.
Bye.